Okay guys, this is going to be a quick review of the HTC Desire ROM running on a rooted HTC Droid Incredible. First thing off the bat, I'm going to show you to make sure that this is exactly 2.2 running on the Droid Incredible with the ROM. Sorry about phone. You see the menu is a little bit different here. Zoom in a little bit. We'll go to software information. You can see here it's Android version 2.2. It's using the King's kernel, and that's pretty much all it. You see IncredibleDoes Sense version 0.6. This is the latest build off of the Desire ROM ported by IncredibleDoes on the XDA developers website. I'll link you later on in the bottom bar. First thing I'm going to show you now is the new skins button. Yeah, this is replacing the add button before that you used to have on the Incredible and other HTC devices using Sense UI. You see at the top you can change your skin, your scene, your wallpaper, your skins. Then you have widgets, your apps, shortcuts, folders, and your sound settings. It's an interesting new menu that was shown with the Desire and the Desire HD and the Desire Z phones that are coming out in Europe soon. They'll be coming out in America, hopefully. Mainly just the Z. I really want to play with that phone. I'll show you a new feature called Skins. This basically lets you theme your current home screen setting. Right now I'm using the HTC Current, but you can slide across different scenes. You see you have your blackboard, which will basically change the unlock screen and also your bottom dock bar where you have your phone, your menu, and your applications and your personalization button. And also in some cases change the status bar. This is the metal theme, mocha brown, music lover, slate, and wood. I'll show you the wood one. I really like the wood one the most. As you see, the screen turns black, changes the status bar, and the wallpaper changes as well. It's pretty good theme in my opinion. I really like the wood theme. I'm pretty sure later on in the future you'll get more themes, because when you press the button and you go to your skins, down here it says get more, so eventually HTC will release different skins. And I think I've heard that people can personalize their own skins and upload them per part of the HTCSense.com service that's going to be coming out. So yeah, when you unlock it and you lock it back up, you get the different unlock screen, the unlock bar, and everything else is different there. You see like the dialer changes. Let's see, maybe messages changes. Yeah, the application of messages. I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you now the music player. Music player changed drastically from the previous versions of the music player on HTC Sense. As you see here, you have a cover flow-ish style here where you can flow through each of your songs, like cover flow you find on the on the iOS platform. And when you use the accelerometer and tilt it down, you get a really similar to cover flow in my opinion. And while it's not perfect smooth, it's pretty fast, and you know, considering it's not an iOS device. Remember the HTC Incredible is running a 1 GHz Snapdragon processor. Unfortunately, on this release of the ROM, set CPU or overclocking does not work, so you can overclock this to higher speeds. I'm pretty sure if you overclock this a little bit more, you'll get a much smoother experience. Exit out of the music player app. I'm going to show you the new HTC widgets. As you see here, when you open up the widgets, you can see how you can browse all of your HTC widgets. So I'm going to choose whoa, wrong one. Sorry. Widget. Browse all HTC. And everything comes in a cover flow-esque menu. You can just swipe around each and every HTC widget you have, ranging from calendar to clocks to your radio, social networking, mail, and eventually it ends with your weather. There's about 70 widgets here. One of the new widgets I wanted to show you is this one, the power dashboard. Previously, the only widget that was similar to this would be the power control widget, which is an Android only widget. But HTC sort of sent out their own versions of it. This is the power dashboard, and there should be another one, the data dashboard. You get roaming, your data, your Wi-Fi, your network, and your settings. And then whoops, I applied it. Okay, let's just drop it somewhere. Okay, drop. And then the widget's there. Just turn Wi-Fi on, or you turn Wi-Fi off. Your auto syncing data. I'm not sure what the settings. Oh, it just opens up your settings. That's actually pretty useful, in my opinion. Okay, let's see what's next here. One thing that's not cool with this ROM right now is the camera doesn't work. See, camera application opens and nothing, no camera. So camera doesn't work, camera nor camcorder. And if you try to download a camera from the marketplace previously with Froyo ROMs, when I used to do work on the Droid Ares, there was a point where the camera wouldn't work. You would download Camera Magic or something, and then you can get your camera previews to work, but that doesn't work, unfortunately. You get your Wi-Fi hotspot support, although you gotta set it up. I'm not gonna bother setting that up. I don't need the Wi-Fi support. I use wireless tether for that. Wink wink, rooted. I'm gonna show you something that IncredibleDoes added to this ROM and to some of these other ROMs that he's gonna start adding is the hibernate button. We'll test this out now. I guess what this is shuts it, pretty much like the hibernate feature on your computer. So the phone's hibernated, so I press the button, nothing will go through, neither will text messages or phone calls. So yeah, have a nice skin there. But if you hold the power button, it'll dehibernate, I guess. Yeah, that's the loading screen for this ROM. It's a little bit slow, I'll say. I mean, I like it. And I don't know, a lot of you have heard about the 3-second boot up with the Desire HD ROM and the Z ROMs. Oh, that was very quick. I guess that's what hibernating. Oh, is it awake? Oh, there you go. The Desire and the Desire Z and HD ROM. But that 3-second boot up only works if you shut it. Like if you take the battery out, you'll get up the same boot time that you get with the regular HTC devices. But if you do the shutdown, the software shutdown, it won't really shut off. It will like cache itself and hibernate, which is what I just did now. So yeah, that was it. I used Dolphin HD browser. Flash works completely, so you don't have to worry about any of that. Everything from the marketplace works. You go to my marketplace, you go to my downloads. Everything that comes out there, the Gmail, the let's see, Flash Player 10.1, all the regular apps work. I have SCP installed, but it doesn't work. Google Voice, Google Search, the Gmail, Google Maps, all of those applications work fine with this ROM, so you won't have to worry about not getting or access to certain applications or portions of the marketplace with this ROM. So you're pretty much, set to go with this ROM. So I'll end the video now. This was a brief overview of the IncredibleDoes version 0.6 ROM. I'll link you on the bottom bar again to the website. If your Incredible is not rooted, you'll need to root that first. I suppose you can use unrevoked. That's the tool I use. Pretty simple to root it. And then, you just start flashing whatever ROMs you want. Alright guys, so this is a video by The Lost Element. Until next time, take care.